How to use safe mode to diagnose a problem in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Is a window misbehaving? One diagnostic technique you can try is safe mode, which launches Windows in a bare bones fashion by preventing certain drivers and other items from loading. Table of contents: if your Windows machine freezing, crashing, or just not up to snuff, it could be a bad application, a quirky driver, or even a faulty piece of hardware. One way to get to the bottom of the problem on a Windows 10 or 11 machine is to start the operating system in safe mode, which launching Windows in a certain Windows in a clean, pristine, bare bones fashion by preventing certain drivers and other items for loading. If Windows works happily in safe mode, it typically means the fault lies within a certain driver, service, or other plugin that would otherwise load automatically. Before you attempt to restart your PC in safe mode, there are a few potential pitfalls and obstacles, mostly depending on what type of account you use in Windows. First, a Microsoft account needs network access to authenticate, so avoid any safe mode option that does not load network drivers, otherwise you may not be able to log in with your password. Second, set up an alternative means of authentication beyond your password option. Include a PIN, picture, password, fingerprint recognition, facial recognition, and a security key to use in case the password sign-in is not accessible or is not working under a specific safe mode option. Third, depending on the safe mode option you choose, some of the alternative authentication method may not work. In that case, you shall need to rely on your regular password to sign in. Fourth, if you are using a Microsoft account, you shall want to make sure that your regular password is available in case the other authentication methods are inaccessible. To do this in Windows 10 or 11, go to Setting, in your account sign in option, look for the setting named for improved security. Only allow Windows Hello sign in or Microsoft accounts on the device and turn it off. You can always turn it back on when you have finished using safe mode and return to a normal boot up. How to start Windows in safe mode? In Windows 10 or 11, click the search field or icon at the bottom of your screen, type the command misconfig and press enter. Alternatively, you can open the system configuration tool from the start menu. In Windows 10, click the start button, scroll down the apps list and open the folder for Windows Administrative. Click the shortcut for system configuration. In Windows 11, click the start button and then click the link for all apps. Scroll down the apps list and select the entry for Windows tools. In the Windows tools screen, double click the shortcut for system configuration. In the system configuration windows, your current setting is most likely normal startup or selective startup. If you are using a local account, the same mode setting you shall want to try first is a diagnostic startup, which loads only basic drivers and services. Note that the drivers and services for audio, networking, and certain other functions would not load with this option, so you would not be able to use or test those features. As such, do not use the diagnostic startup with a Microsoft account, as you would not be able to sign in.